Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with the next one. You guys are supposed to be seeing this back, I guess, during the start of Vlogmas, kinda. Yeah. We're not going to do a full 25 days, but we're going to post, I guess, more often throughout this period. As you guys would have seen, we started to post twice a week. But right now we are getting things together. So I had to start out some police records. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to see if we can get some hair products in town, as well as after that we're going to go to Azan, and then we need to go to Halfway Tree. So we're going to take you along for all of this ride. How we are getting ready for the Christmas season and all these stuff. So guys, just sit back and relax
and enjoy and subscribe.
Morning, guys. Oh, one more store this up.
Alright people, so I'm walking downtown. I just got through, so I'm gonna head to make a next stop, and hopefully we can find the right street to go and get some wholesale hair treatment, because that's what I'm looking for, and we'll move on to Azan next.
Downtown. Traffic mama.
What do we even do, Miss? What do we even do? Watch out the lash them, Lord Jesus, and the up earring. Me can't, but I love her. Me love her.
That's why easy there. You just come straight, just one straight road until you buck up Azan. No turn off.
That could occur.
No man, they are the better. Eh?
I gave you my heart the very next day. You gave it away. See pressure cooker them there.
Yeah, then they can't stick.
But I see the bowl them here, it start from right here, so go way down to there, so see them there. So choose which size you want. I don't know, but choose which one you want and I pay for it. Mommy, a 550 was for the bowl then, Mommy. Remember 550 at 40 feet now. A 5. Mommy, are them size here. I never them look a size there. Mommy, are them there with this you look on plate?
We have to eat.
I'm gonna get my Christmas tree. Oh, the towel rack. Is it, where would it be? 15% off. A paper towel holder. I know, right?
Oh yeah, see it here.
Would it equal to the same price? Cause Orain, see the mirror. Go right down to over there, so see organizing. Them have it. See it there. No, see the mirror. See it there. Oh, the garbage bag for me. So Orain, so see the options in here, you can look at them. Oh, come on, wonder where you're going.
No, we're not to stay because they can't come.
The dispenser them. That may I try for see. Sorry. How much for it?
Yellow.
150. What is that? Oh, mom, see some more over here, so the 3-piece.
A blue that look nice to go with it. That is a perfect. This nice.
Oh, wow. Yes, this is nice.
You remember? A brown and blue.
Brown, blue.
Light blue, that blue that match. Or that brown.
No, sir, that brown. Well, yeah. It can work. That me there, sir. But what?
Church.
Oh. 1 week. Yeah, 1 day. Mad crazy. Oh, yeah, good to get one good one. Alright guys, so we'll finish with Azan now and we're on Savannah Plaza. We're going to Earth Elements. We're here to try to get some like fragrance, essential oils. That's for upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that one as well, guys. So we're going to see what they have available in there and kind of sneak and carry it in there with me too. So let's see.
Sneak and do
Everybody want to be tighty and be like, oh, no videoing as if it's not free publicity.
No video, no business. Goodbye.
Alright, let's go, guys. Somebody can tell more Earth Elements that to bomb out? Oh, sit there. Have this the milk base. I'm gonna ask it. Like cause I have, but I don't know if I have enough for the amount of things that we're interested in doing. Oh, okay. It's a vegetable base. More on the goat milk base. You see the sense? Oh no, the shea butter melt and pour base. This is lovely. Also, the goat milk base there. Let's see.
Word.
How much for the base? Then I wonder. Could I get one more if we could actually you want mix, you want to try one goat milk, I have goat milk already. And you want to try like one shea butter?
That's the sense of it.
It does want the sense then. What are these?
Argan detergent free.
What is that?
I think it's more soap.
Shadeka soap base.
Argan oil?
Argan milk and pour soap base detergent free. 2 pounds. Beeswax.
I need the fruit.
Castor wax.
I have enough for the butters, you know. I have enough for the butters already and could try with it, but what I'm gonna need, I think I'm gonna like this one. Are those essential scents?
I think those are essentials.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we got our scent. Let's see if we can show no argon. Yeah, so this is what we got. Mercy, please. Can't say nothing, Jesus Christ. Alright, see there. This is what we got. Yeah. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe so that you know when that video drop.
And can you comment down below what you think we're going to make with this?
Oh.
I would love for you guys to guess.
Yeah. So yeah, we're leaving the place now. I'm heading home now. So
We're heading home?
So where we're going?
Let's see what.
Well, because where the day takes us.
Exactly.
So stay tuned.
All right.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? all about?
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said.
What was that? What's that? Oh, the door curtain. Where? Ask somebody. Ask somebody. Let's get my mat. Guys, let's get the mat that I was showing you last time. To get my mat. Oh, this color isn't bad either, you know. We don't have no theme. You have Martha? We don't have no theme to my room. Orain, you can't ever find what would the mat what we did. This looking to be long ago. I can't find the one that we did. Yeah.
Got them not.
Yeah, see same. Short one, this is like 2,000 pounds earlier. See same.
And grey one is
The color there?
Shadeka.
Window and mat 10. We get 10% off? Alright, cool. Good time for my buy it then.
oh no, 3 pound after 3. This is what? 1.5. A 1.5 pound this way for 1,650. What?
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways,